So the force and the speed on your machine is the same as the pressure and speed in the software. So to do your test cut on the machine, you use the force and speed on the machine itself. And then once you get those settings, bring them onto the software and change your pressure and your speed here. And then make sure this box is checked to use these settings when you hit create. Okay, and then here in the drop down you have a custom cut preset. So make sure that that is set there, and then just click on plus and give it a name, Caesar Easy Weed or whatever it is. All your settings are there, and then you just click OK. And then it will appear in the drop down. Okay. Another thing about your test cut is whether this box is checked or not, it's always going to use the force and speed that you have set on the machine itself. Okay.